Hi, it's Kozue. This is what I usually do before doing my nails. Today I'm gonna be doing my nails with regular polish. I actually painted the regular polish on the paper to see the colors. I'm painting a base coat. I'm using Strong Guard from D-Up. They sent me this product, thank you. So this is my first time applying it. It's really nice. I really like the brush. It's round. It dries pretty quickly. Now the base coat is dry, I'm gonna paint a color polish. This is playful. This is my first time too. I don't think it shows much on the screen, but it actually has lots of small, fine particles, glitters in it, and it looks pretty. White polish like this usually gets really patchy, but this doesn't. This PA series is really popular in Japan. This color is a new one for this spring. This polish is not that opaque. It's pretty sheer. I really like the color. It's a nice springy color. At first, I didn't think I was going to use this color much, but I ended up using it too much. Not too much, often. I'm painting playful on the ring finger. And the middle finger. This is nothing to do with doing my nails, but I bought a new computer, yay! And editing videos is really hard on the new computer. I need to learn so many new things. I never thought I would have to learn something like editing on the computer at my age. But it's fun. It's pretty rewarding too. So this is after one coat. I'm going to dry it for 7 minutes. Now I'm gonna paint for the second time. I was struggling a lot when I was painting my thumbnail because when I paint my thumbnail, I easily damage the other nail polish like this. Now I learned something. I use this stand thing like this. So this ruler, imagine this ruler is a table. So you have a gap here. This way you won't damage the other wet nails because you have a gap here. I bought this stand thing at the CanDo. It's a 100 yen store in Japan. I'm just keeping doing the second coat. I really like this playful nail polish. It levels well or it smooths itself very well. This green polish has a lot of fine glitters as well, and the glitters are gold. I'm going to use gold nail stickers later. I hope they match the gold glitters in this polish. I'm gonna wait for 7 minutes. Now I'm gonna stamp on the thumb. I bought this from Temu or Shein. I'm going to use this leaf. It looks like a mimosa leaf, I think. This is an old prepaid card. I use it as a scraper. This is cat's stamping polish. The color inside looks super different from the color on the bottle. I tried to stir the polish in the bottle, but I couldn't. Actually, it's no problem for stamping, so I just let it go. I think I got square stamper from Shein or Temu. I think both of them have this. Now I'm gonna stamp on the ring finger. This is a stamper with which you can change the size of the prints. I want to stamp this leaf on my ring finger too, but it's a little too big for my ring finger. I want to change one more thing about this leaf. So this is what stamped on the thumbnail, and I want to shrink it like this, and then a mirror image. Transfer this print to the other stamper. No, it didn't go well. Okay, I have an idea. I'm going to paint a stamper with this top coat, and I'm gonna transfer the leaf onto this. Oh yeah, I did it. Now I'm gonna do Mimosa flowers. This is cat's stamping polish. As I was dotting, I realized that the cat's stamping polish isn't doing really well, so I decided to use this acrylic paint from CanDo. Yes, I like it much better than the cat's stamping polish. Now I want like a three-dimensional approach to the Mimosa flowers, so I decided to use white paint. This is from CanDo. I'm gonna do the same thing to my ring finger. Born pretty, no smudge top coat oil. I'm gonna put a pearl on the pinky on clear top coat. No smudge top coat oil on the ring finger. I'm gonna let it dry for 7 minutes. I'm gonna use strong guard as a top coat. Honestly, it's not as glossy as Seria Vite, and it doesn't get as plump as Seria Vite either. I'm going to bed after drying it for 30 minutes. Next morning, I'm going to use these stickers. These stickers are from Paz Club. Putting on stickers is really hard for me, even with my dominant hand. So sometimes I use a stamper to put a sticker on my nails. It's much easier. My DIY picker worked really well. I'm using strong guard. The very best thing about this is that it doesn't shrink at all. I painted strong guard twice as a top coat to see what it's like with 2 coats. Well, after all, Seria is a queen. Okay, all done. In Italy, International Women's Day is often referred to as Mimosa Day. International Mimosa Day is March 8th. This video didn't make it to March 8th, but I was wearing this art on March 8th. Did you do anything special on March 8th? The main 3 items I used for my nails today: strong guard, playful snow white, PA nail color E017. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!